Hello and welcome to Trinity Stamps. Let's take a close-up look at the Well Done stamp and die set. This 4x6 stamp set has 19 images in it and so many punny little sentiments. The coordinating die set has 14 dies. The ones that don't have dies are the little teeny tiny splash marks. Here you can see all the images stamped out on a piece of white cardstock, and look at that super cute whale. And there is a coordinating die set, and I thought I would show you what I did to help me remember which sentiment die goes with which sentiment after cutting them all apart. I decided to number each of the sentiments on my plastic sheet and then number the die itself. That way I have a quick reference to figure out what all these cute little dies go to. They're going to bubble cut around each of those sentiments. So now I have a way of easily checking out and grabbing the right die when I need it. I hope this helps you. All right, now we're going to see what those look like die cut out. You can see the bubble cut around each of those sentiments, and it's a really cute look. Here's the stamps that do not have dies to cut them out. And now take a look at the whale colored up with Copic markers. I used some warm grays and I think he's just darling. And this stamp set has got so many different sentiments. You can use it for a lot of different occasions and probably mix it with stamps you already have. So here I've created a birthday card and popped him up on a little ocean scene with some little clownfish following them. It reminded me of Nemo when they're following the big whale and trying to talk to them. And yeah, it's a cute movie, and that's kind of the inspiration behind those little clownfish on my card. Here's some more cards created by our design team to further inspire you with this Well Done stamp set. I thank you so much for stopping by. If you would like more inspiration from Trinity Stamps, you can find us on YouTube with lots more videos, as well as Instagram and Facebook too. I'll see you all again very soon on another video. Happy stamping. Bye.